Eggs and meat linked to cancer, heart disease, and early death. This was a huge prospective study done by the American Heart Association last year. And I was amazed when I read this because I thought, wow, I would have thought they would have tried to bury this. The Heart Association actually saying, actually, eggs are no good. And this is not new research. This is just the latest research that's come in the last year. What did the research say? This is a Women's Health Initiative research following women from 93 to 2017. So a massive study. Number one, eating eggs equals higher cancer mortality in women. Number two, eating meat or eggs, higher all-cause mortality. So that's all causes of dying. Number three, eating unprocessed red meat, eggs or dairy products, higher cardiovascular disease mortality. And quote, lower risk of all-cause mortality was observed in correlation with higher plant protein intake and substitution of animal protein with plant protein. You figure what that means? Yeah, so you stop eating meat and you eat beans. Suddenly your mortality, your death, your risk of death goes down and your longevity goes up, so your mortality drops. So the more you can cross these over, and that's why when I answered the question yesterday about eggs, what do you recommend about eggs? If you're eating one or two, one meal a week, maybe one or two eggs, no problem. But any more than that, you start to stray into different territory. So I would relate to eggs as a treat, as opposed to a daily staple.